Our guide, Sharif, is an excellent storyteller and completely captivated us. He shared incredibly informative stories, interspersed with humor, and as an archaeologist, we learned a great deal about ancient Egyptian civilization. We also heard fascinating stories about the contributions of Japanese people in the region, such as the installation of seismometers at the pyramids, which was very interesting. He protected all participants from annoying touts and scammers targeting tourists. By relying on him, we were able to ride camels at the market price after the tour without the stress of negotiating with pushy camel drivers. We were never pressured to give tips by the camel drivers, and we were able to pay them graciously as a token of appreciation for their excellent service. Very nice guide. The tour was very to our pace as my friend and I were the only ones attending, so it ended up being a personal tour. We were very happy with the explanations, and he had the answers to all of our questions. The time actually went so fast. We recommend visiting the Marzong tomb as he explained to us all the history and symbols inside, which was very interesting. Sharif is an archaeologist working in the pyramids recent, so he is definitely a pro and knows what he is talking about. It was a fantastic experience, so if you are looking for someone nice and knowledgeable, he is definitely your guy, and for those who may care, he can also take a lot of pictures for you. After the tour you are free to walk around and visit the inside of the pyramids. My name is Emilio from Mexico. My tour started at time with the guide Mr. Sharif. We skipped the line and my first impression is that he has a deep knowledge about history. He is archaeologist. The tour was very interesting. 5 stars is too little. Why not 10? 15 or 20? He talk about the Egyptian history around the pyramids and big boats that kings used, and he has shown me a tomb which I would never find by myself even with a ticket. He also show me some tricks with camera for taking pictures. He is a great photograph. Very friendly. He gives recommendations and tips even after the tour. He is a good guide but better person and friend. You will never forget the experience. I was so pleasantly surprised by the tour, and all the information we got. Sharif really knows how to keep you entertained, and we had a lot of fun. Experiencing the pyramids like this, with someone who really knows so much about it, can answer your random questions and can help you to get the best out of it was so worth it. Especially as many people warn you of scammers, I had the best day there in contrast. Sharif knows the people around, he can give you guidance, also of what to do after the tour. I really loved it and was stunned by the place. And BTW, he is a photographic genius. We had an amazing experience with Sharif as our guide at the pyramids and the Sphinx. He is an archaeologist who works there, which made the whole visit even more special and authentic. His explanations about the history and all the little details and curiosities were incredibly interesting and easy to understand. You can really feel his passion and knowledge. Thanks to him, visiting this place became an unforgettable experience. We highly recommend on tour por las pyramids.